Once, performance like this was only found in exotic two-seaters. Not anymore. Once, heated windscreens were only found in aeroplanes. Now you can see just as well on the ground. Once, most diesels lived in the slow lane. Today, Sierra diesels have turbos. Once, four-wheel drive was mostly for rally cars. Today, there's a range of 2-litre four-wheel drive Sierras. Once, electronic management systems were just a product of the space race. Today, they manage Sierra's fuel injection. Once, ABS was only for large cars. Not anymore. Now, more than ever, there is only one Ford Sierra.